Hi everyone, I am so excited for today's video. It's a little late, but I'm finally going to show you all what is in my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you guys all so much for your continued love and support. I love you guys so much, so I really hope you like what is in this giveaway. I kind of went with what I did for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, I believe. I tried to get like everything in here, like skincare and makeup and stuff like that. I even have some non-beauty items in here. It's all laid out in front of me. That's why I keep looking down. My table is just full of stuff. I kind of gave a sneak peek on my Instagram stories today, so some of you may have seen what is in here. But anyways, let's get started. So this giveaway will be open internationally. I want every one of my subscribers to be able to be included in this. So number one rule, you must be subscribed to my channel. Number two, like this video. And three, leave a comment down below. I will have this open for 2 weeks, so it will end on May 8th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. I will use a random comment generator to pick a winner, and I will leave a comment under the winner's comment, like I'll reply to their comment, and you'll have 48 hours to get back to me, so definitely make sure you check that. On May 9th I will pick the winner, so check back then. I know my last giveaway I didn't hear back from the first winner selection. That kind of took a little bit. I did select another winner and they have gotten back to me, so I decided that's how I'm going to do it this way. I will leave the full list of rules and all of that down in the description box in case anything is confusing. But anyways, let's get started. So let's start with skincare. So I picked a face wash. I've been just kind of bombarded with face washes and I've heard good things about this one. This is by Paris Hilton. This is the Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System Dual Action Cleansing Gel. So it says this is an essential 2-in-1 first step cleanser to jumpstart your daily regimen. It's formulated with ingredients like caviar and lime, which is not fish, I found out, that delivers vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants to the skin. Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel gently lifts away dirt, impurities, and makeup while maintaining the skin's natural moisture balance. So one of you will receive this. And then I did get some kits from Birchbox because I love their discovery kits. This is the Treat Yourself Beauty Kit. It says these inviting skincare and body products will leave you feeling cared for and content. So let's see what is in here. All right, the first thing I see is by Odacite or Odacite. I could be saying this so wrong. That is their name right there. And this is oil. It says supercharge your skin routine. This is for dull skin, a dull skin remedy. So it looks like it's just a little oil for your skin, and there's all this information included with it too, which is cool. I've never heard of that. You have to let me know how it is. And then the Huara Candle Nut Body Cream. I have used stuff from this brand before and I really like it. Another brand I like, Wish. This is their Vanilla Lip Scrub. And then we have the Malin and Goats, the Rum Body Wash. The Comfort Zone Hydra Memory Mask, Immediate Effect Hydrating Mask. So I guess you're supposed to see hydration immediately. A little shiny. I've used something from that brand before and liked it. I can't remember what. Ooh, I've tried this before. This is really good. This is the Clarks Botanical Age Defying Radiance Cream. This stuff is like over $130, I think. I mean, this is the smaller size, but it's good. And then we have the Somebody Bath Milk, Organic Coconut Milk, Buttermilk, and Goat Milk. So I think you pour this into your bath. The LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt. Gosh, I'm not good at talking today. This is a massage. It says massage into your skin when needed or use as an overnight facial mask. I like this brand. I have a few things by them. And then what I believe is the last thing in here is something I've also used and really like. This is my new face by Carol Co, the Prep and Glow Textured Cleansing Cloth. I really like this. I'm all about exfoliation. This does that. I think like one side's exfoliated of the cloth and the other side is not, so you can like first exfoliate and then turn it around and use the smooth side, so I really like it. So that is everything in the Treat Yourself Beauty Kit. Now I will show you a beauty tool. This is by $1 Billion Brushes, their fan brush. And I received this in an Ipsy, and I've heard good things about it. So one of you will get this. And let's move into the other Birchbox Discovery Kit. This one is so good. This is the Date Night Made Easy Kit. It says create a fun, flirty look with the makeup in this kit. And then here it is. There's some good brands in here. I'm so excited. The first thing I see is by ColourPop. I love ColourPop. This is one of their Super Shock Cheeks. It says this is in Flexitarian, which is super popular. So it's a highlighter, if that wasn't clear. And then we have something by MAC. This is a lipstick. This is their Creme Sheen lipstick in Hang Up, 209 Hang Up. So I hope you guys don't care, but I'm going to show you the color. I won't touch it or swatch it or anything like that. So it's one of their bullet lippies. Ooh, this is a darker color. This will be a really cute, like, vampy look. I've never used a MAC lipstick before. They look really good. I've heard obviously great things. Like MAC is like an OG. People love MAC. The next thing in here is one of my favorite mascaras ever. This is the Stila Huge Lash Mascara. I love that one. I've talked about that before on my channel, so I hope you do as well. Then we have the Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. We have the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, which is very good. I've used this in the past. You can't see it, but inside this little bag, this is a little travel mirror so that can fit inside your purse, which is super awesome. And then we have something by Benefit. What is this? This is the Golden Pink Blush. I think it's called Gallerina, or does it say California? California? I love the packaging. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, so it goes up like this. There's a little brush and a little mirror. How cute. And then that is the color. Beautiful. This is so cute. I love this. I can't believe there's a little mirror in it, and the packaging is just adorable. And then it looks like there's one more thing in here. And this is by Love of Color, and this is their Liquid Shimmer Shadow in Stardust. So this is a really pretty, like, champagne-y type color. So that is everything in the Date Night Made Easy kit. So I do have another Ico London, not mascara, what am I talking about, eyeliner for you, but this is a different one. This isn't the skinny, this is the Black Magic. This is the liquid eyeliner plus wide lash. So you'll get this as well. And then let's move on to lippies. I've got some lipstick here. So the first thing I have is a set. This is by Birchbox and Stila. I actually watched Nikki slash Southern Mom get this. I think she opened it on one of her lives. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get that on Birchbox too for one of you. So this is a set of 3 of their liquid lipsticks, which are so awesome. So here are the 3 colors. Super beautiful. So there's like this more like nude pink, which is called Perla. And then there's a like berry called Aria, and a more red, deeper color called Rubino. And it comes in this adorable bag, which says Birchbox times Stila on it. I think this is so cute. Oops, one just fell to the ground, so one of you will get this. All right, the next lip product is by Bella Pure Cosmetics. This is a 12 color pro lip palette, and I believe this was like $50 or something like that. So comes in a palette, and inside here are the colors. There's a little protector over it. I'm gonna keep that on there so I don't touch anything. So there's a brush, and then those are the 12 colors, and then there's a big mirror included too, which is super nice. So that is that. Now let's move on to eyeshadow. So the first one I have is a single, and this is by Laura Sanchez. This is from her Moods palette. I actually have the full size Moods palette, and I really like it. So this is super cute packaging. And this is in, I think, Chocolate Shake. Let's see. Where does it say? Well, there's a picture of a Chocolate Shake, so I'm pretty sure Chocolate Shake is the right color name. And this is what it looks like. So this is a great, like, deepening shade to put in your outer corner, or you can do whatever you want with it. And then I have a palette by Desi. This is the Brilliant Eyeshadows palette. and it has like some pretty pastel colors for spring. I think this will be super pretty, so one of you will get this. Oh, got a cat hair on my face like always. And then this is super exciting. Well, I think it is because I've been eyeing this, but I got it not for me, but for you guys. This is the Winky Lux coffee palette, and apparently it's coffee scented too. So it says this coffee scented palette features neutral shadows in cool and warm tones. Nice shades in matte, satin, and shimmer finishes take you from a cup of morning joe to an after dinner espresso. Jeez, can I ever speak? So that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna open it quick and see if I can get a little sniff. You know, I've been a little stuffy and gross from allergies season, but let's see. So the packaging is the same here, and then, it smells good. And these are the colors. I am a neutral girl. I love this. So hopefully between this and the other makeup you got, you can create different types of looks, but I think this is gorgeous, and I've heard good things about it. I know there's some YouTuber out here to talk about it like pretty recently, and they really like it, so I hope you love it too. All right, and now I have a few jewelry pieces. So one is a necklace I received from Balzano Handbags. Here, let's see if I can get, it's like a little flower, perfect for spring. And then I have two sets here in front of me, so an earring and a necklace set. So those are the earrings, and here is the necklace. I think this is super pretty, perfect for spring or at all times of year. I love it. And the next one has like light green accents, so here is that. So this is like a long layered necklace. So one of you will get this. Now we're coming up to the end. There's two more things. So I have a bag here. This I got in my box of style. I never ended up using it or reaching for it, and I thought this was super cute and fun for spring, and just, you know, when you don't carry as much stuff around with you on a night out. So here is a little clutch. One of you guys will get this, and I think this is by Tribe Alive. And the last thing in the giveaway is by the Anthem. This is a wireless speaker set. So you might recall seeing this in a recent video. I was going to give this to my dad. I got this in All He Loves, but he actually told me to keep it because he has a sound system. So I decided, why not just throw this into the giveaway? So this is kind of a last minute addition. So this is a Bluetooth sound system. I think it costs $70 or something like that. So one of you will win this as well. So that is everything. I really hope you liked the items. Let me know your thoughts below. So yeah, there was actually a few other things I was going to add in this, but I didn't get the package yet, so I will just add that to my next giveaway, my 5,000 subscriber giveaway, which hopefully won't be in too much longer. My goal that I set a long time ago was to get to 5,000 in May, so maybe we will get there. But anyways, for now, thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. Gosh, I can't even say subscribers. I should be able to say that, but like, I'm just so overwhelmed. I love you guys so much. You seriously mean the world to me. So I really hope you like this giveaway. I can't wait for one of you guys to win it. So again, follow all the rules below in the description box, and this will end on May 8th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.